The captain's here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. In today's video, we're going to talk about crypto volatility. I know you might have heard of it, but it's definitely serious in the crypto market. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why is it volatile, and you may want to pay attention to this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the first one is no intrinsic value. No intrinsic value. Now, most cryptocurrency don't sell a product, earn revenue, or employ thousands of people, right? They generally don't return dividends, and just a tiny amount of that total value of the currency goes into evolving it. So because of this, it's extremely difficult to value it. So how do we know if it's fundamentally overbought or oversold? See? When is it good to value over price? That's why it's no intrinsic value. Now, the second thing is lack of regulation. I'm hoping this actually gets complete this year, next year, in the future in terms of cryptocurrency. So crypto definitely needs regulation. Now, the lack of regulation in cryptocurrency space can play a factor in the volatility of the price. This low level of regulation allows the market manipulation, often done by placing orders with the intent to cancel. Whereas in regulated markets, such as the foreign exchange, placing fake order is illegal. Absolutely. So lack of regulation is number two. Number three is simple supply and demand. Now, the price of crypto is so volatile comes down to simple economics, supply and demand. Now, when the demand for an asset increases quicker than the supply, the price is likely to rise. We saw this come in play with Bitcoin during the Christmas period of 2017. And we saw this as well a couple of years ago as well, about a year ago, when Bitcoin rose up to about $66,000. The demand of Bitcoin was widespread due to the profit being made by traders throughout the year, and the supply could not keep up with the massive uptake. They just couldn't keep up with it. Supply and demand is number three. Now, the next one here, to me, is lack of capital, lack of institutional capital. So that's the number four. While it's undeniable that some pretty impressive venture capital companies, hedge funds, and high net worth individuals are both fans of investing in crypto, as a segment, most of the institutional capital is still on the sidelines. And number five is simple market size as well. The crypto market is roughly 10 years old and still emerging market. So the market size is still growing as it is. Now, what do we do with all this type of volatility? How do you handle volatility? So there's a couple of things you can do. First thing you can do is avoid avoid the emotional structure, what crypto can do. The second one you can do, don't try to time the market. The volatility of cryptocurrency means that, by and large, finding or planning a time in advance to buying is difficult, if not impossible, proposition. And another one is know when to hold. Have a strategy, have a plan. It has become a meme for those online cryptocurrency groups to say that people should hold for dear life, which I'm not sure about that, until they're able to have the return on investment thereafter. So you got to know when to buy, when to hold, when to sell, even when to actually pivot in your portfolio as well. So there you have it, cryptocurrency volatility, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a couple of things of why and how you can deal with crypto volatility each and every single time. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.